All right, guys, for this chicken taco recipe, you're gonna need some rotisserie chicken. I got a Texas barbecue. I thought it might get some good flavor. I got this at Whole Foods, but you can get any chicken anywhere. You can get any rotisserie chicken. Apparently, Suave Broom recommends Nestle Crema. I've never had this before. I guess it's kind of like sour cream, but different. I'm excited to try this out. He also uses Pace chunky salsa. I got mild because you guys know I don't like spicy, but yeah. Gonna use 1 head lettuce. This was $1.19 at Whole Foods. So you're going to use a package of lettuce, but I figured this is kind of pretty cheap. $1.19 is a good deal. And you're also going to need some mozzarella cheese. So that's what I got here. And I got some corn tortillas. I got these at Trader Joe's for 99¢. I know Suave Boone got his at Walmart, but I love these tortillas. I love these tortillas at Trader Joe's. All right, guys, let's get cooking. Can't wait. All right, guys, I just shredded a bunch of rotisserie chicken right here. A big, nice plate of rotisserie chicken. I tested some of the chicken out with this salsa. It's really good. The barbecue flavor is awesome. I can't wait to try it with the tacos. All right, so the next step is putting some of this rotisserie chicken on the corn tortilla right here. And not too much chicken because we're going to add other stuff as well. I think about that is good. All right, as you can see, I did a bunch of tacos with the chicken. So what you want to do is fold them up like this and then fry them until they get kind of crispy. It's cracking a little bit, so maybe I didn't get the right tortillas. I don't know, maybe I added too much meat, but maybe that's what it is. It's not stained though. Oh, there you go. All right, let them sizzle until they get brown and crispy. All right, they are crispy, but they are breaking. So I'm gonna flip them. I don't have tongs. They're breaking. I don't know what I did wrong. All right, so I did flip them. I think there might be a little bit more crispy than I like, but let's see how this goes, guys. All right, I put all the tacos on here. Some of them are, as you can see, not even. Some of them are like tore apart, but I tried, guys. But they look very crispy, so that's good. I'm gonna wait a few minutes till they cool down, and I'm gonna add all the fixings to them. All right, I got my tacos. So the first step is to put the crema on the tacos. So let me just show you guys how to do it. So if you want to try this recipe, you can. I never had crema before. It's interesting. So I think it's supposed to be kind of like sour cream. I'm not really sure. They are falling apart. Look at this one, guys. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but they're just like falling apart. So weird. All right, after you put the crema on the tacos, the next step is to put the salsa on the tacos, guys. So we're going to do that next. Now this is mild, but if you can put medium or spicy if you want. I just prefer mild on my tacos. All right, next is the Parmesan cheese, guys. Oh, and the last step is to add some shredded lettuce on top. Looks good already, guys. Alright guys, this is Suave's famous mom's chicken tacos. I can't wait to try it for you guys. Alright guys, so I didn't really tell you in the beginning, we are doing a collab. I'm very happy with Suave and Dolcefoodie. They reached out to me, they want to collab with me. I'm so happy. They're one of my favorite YouTubers, honestly. They have a great channel, guys. They have a mukbang channel. They both have several ASMR channels, and they also have a vlogging channel. I will leave the links to all their channels in the description down below. So we have a special collab. They thought it'd be really cool if, you know, I decided what they should make and they decided what I should make. So they wanted me to make their famous, Suave's famous mom's chicken tacos, which I was actually going to make anyways, but soon. But they told me to make it, and I said, great, I will definitely make it. Sounds great. I love tacos. Anything crunchy I love. And I asked them if they can make cheeseburgers and tater tots. So I don't know if you guys saw my Hawaii mukbang videos, but I had cheeseburger and tater tots in Hawaii, and it was really good. And I've been craving it ever since. You know, I don't really have a lot of tater tot options in California. So that's what they're going to make. So when you get done with this video, check out their video. All right, I'm just excited to try this out for you guys. Chicken tacos. Check that out. That's good. That's really good. You know, I never have like chicken tacos, usually beef. When we were growing up, my mom and my dad made me beef tacos. That's how I got the idea of beef tacos, but I hardly ever had chicken tacos. Pretty good. Crunchy. The cream is not that bad. I don't know how I compared it. I don't know how I really compare it to sour cream, but let's go with the tacos. Yep, it's pretty good, guys. Hope you guys are doing really well. Let me know how you guys make your tacos. My favorite is beef tacos. What else happened? I like, yeah, but chicken's good too. This one broke. Honestly, guys, I don't usually make tacos when you put the meat and put them inside, and so I don't have a lot of experience with that. So maybe that's why they broke. So, Boone, if you're watching, of course you're watching, let me know what I did wrong. Why are they breaking? I don't know if it's the tortillas. I know in your video you use tongs. Maybe I should have used tongs instead. I don't know. But usually how I make my tacos is I just fry the tortillas first, put it in a paper towel so they can, you know, get all the grease out, and then just add the toppings. That's how I normally do my tacos. That's good. It's good. So I have 6 here. I'm not sure I'm gonna eat all of them. I thought it would be a good presentation to put like six of them on here. I think I'm gonna add a little more salsa because I feel like I need some more salsa. Just a little bit, maybe. I'm also getting a lot of requests to do homemade cooking videos, so I'll be doing more. I just need some ideas. I'm not like the best cook, but I can cook some things. I have a bunch of cookbooks, so. That extra sauce in here is really good. It's really good. Mmm. So I'm so happy we're doing this collab with Suave and Dolcefoodie, guys. They're really a great couple. They actually met online. They were both YouTubers. I still want to know your story, guys, and how you guys met and the initial thing, how you guys met and stuff. But I think it's really cool. I would love to date a YouTuber. That'd be kind of cool. Especially like a mukbanger. That'd be really cool. But yeah, anyways, they're a great couple. Suave Boom is really funny in his ASMR videos. He even talks about the hater comments in his videos. He's really funny. I really like that about him. He's just like hilarious and really funny, actually. So yeah, I guys recommend you guys check them out. Like I said, they both have different channels. I think they do the mukbang videos on Suave Boom's account, I think. So if you're not into ASMR, they do also mukbang videos, and yeah, they do a lot of breakfast videos. I've been noticing. I haven't done a lot of breakfast videos, actually. I don't know. I like it extra salsa. So yeah, yeah, go check out Suave Boom, Dolcefoodie. I think Dolcefoodie is from Clinton, and she moved out. I forget where they live, what state they live. You know, to marry Suave Boom, and it's really cool. So that's really cool, actually. They had that connection, you know. And I can tell he's a really fun guy. He's a funny guy. I could totally see why she fell in love with him, because he has a really good sense of humor, and he just seems like a really nice guy. So I'm really glad that they're together, and I think they're very happily married. I can sense it. Okay, so I want to tell you two of my favorite videos of them. Dolcefoodie, she was eating some like sweetest candy ASMR, and I really enjoyed that video. The sounds was great. And my favorite all-time ASMR video of Suave Boom is when he did a Dunkin' Donuts video. And I don't know, something about the Dunkin' Donuts. Well, the video was just very good quality. The lighting was on point, you know. And he had a bunch of Dunkin' Donuts, like breakfast items, donuts, coffee. It was just like, and when he took a bite of the hash browns, it was so, the crunch was so like, I just love that video. It made me want to try Dunkin' Donuts. I have a Dunkin' Donuts near me, but I'm not really big on Dunkin' Donuts, like especially for breakfast, but it made me want to try Dunkin' Donuts, so it's a great video. They're crunchy. Very good. I'm not sure, but I think I added a little bit extra chicken than I should have added. I'm not sure. When Suave Boom did this video on how to make these chicken tacos, he said not to put a lot of chicken because you're adding other stuff to it, but I think maybe I added a little bit too much chicken, but I still like it. I still recommend this recipe, this chicken taco. Oh, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm almost done. Not taco. Yeah, today's Sunday. It's a very relaxing day for me. I love Sundays now because I get to relax. My only day off. So learn about my job. It's okay. Still haven't done cashiering yet. I did find out that we get paid every 2 weeks. They didn't tell me that. I had to ask them. We get paid every 2 weeks on a Friday. I already got paid, which I was really surprised. I'm excited about that. So yeah, it's super exciting to get my first paycheck. And today when I went to Trader Joe's, I was buying like some ingredients for the tacos, and I told the girl I was a YouTuber. She was really excited. She says she watches a lot of YouTubers. She's a major YouTuber. She likes to watch YouTube. She's not really a YouTuber, but she loves watching YouTube videos. She says her favorite YouTuber was Shane Dawson. And I asked her that I told her that I do mukbang videos, and she knew what it was. I think because she knows who Trisha Paytas was, and I don't know if that's true, but she says Trisha Paytas started the mukbang community. I don't know if that's true or not, but. But it was really cool talking to her. You know, she asked my YouTube channels, and I gave her to her. She said she'll check me out. So that's really cool. For the cashier at Trader Joe's, if you're watching this, leave a comment. That'd be really awesome. Let everybody know that you checked me out at Trader Joe's. That'd be so cool, right? All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I had 4. That's good. That's good. I had enough. But they were so good. Thank you, Swap. I really enjoyed making this and eating them for you guys. And yeah, I really like them a lot. They're really good. They're different than beef. So, you know, I usually make beef tacos. So chicken's it's different, you know. All right, guys. And don't forget to check out Suave, Dolcefoodie's channels. I'll be leaving all their channels in the description down below. Check them out. Check them out, guys, and let them know that Eat with Karen sent you. And giving them some support and love on their channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. More videos coming soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.